Today we are making egg Chana Dal, or as it's called in Bengali, diye Cholar Dal. Cholar Dal is a festive staple in Bengali households, often reserved for special occasions. As a twist, we are adding eggs to take this dish to the next level of deliciousness. In a pressure cooker, add Chana Dal we soaked for 2 hours. To this, add 2.5 cup of water. Add a stick of cinnamon, green cardamoms and cloves for the flavoring. Cover and pressure cook the dal for 2 whistles on medium flame. Allow the steam to release naturally before opening. The consistency of the dal should be soft but not mushy. Now remove the whole spices as its work here is done. Take hard-boiled eggs and make slits in them. Add salt and turmeric powder and massage the eggs to coat them evenly. In a kadhai, heat some mustard oil until it starts to smoke. Drop the eggs into the oil and fry them over high heat until they turn golden brown. Once done, take them off and keep them aside for later. To make the dal, in the same oil we fried our eggs, add a dried red chili, whole cumin seeds and sugar. Add chopped onions and fry over a high flame until it starts to turn translucent. Then add grated ginger, chopped garlic and chopped chilies. Fry them for 2 minutes on high flame until they become fragrant. Add chopped tomatoes to the masala and fry till they start to sweat. Cook the tomatoes on medium heat covered for 5 minutes to tenderize and melt them. For the masalas, add coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and salt. Fry the masalas over medium heat until it starts to release its oil. Now add the boiled Chana Dal and stir and mix with the masala. Add water to this, cover and cook for 5 minutes so that all the flavors in the masala can be soaked into the dal. Stir the dal and make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the kadhai. Add the fried eggs. Sprinkle in some fried raisins and fried slices of coconut. Give it a stir and finish with a dollop of desi ghee. And there you have it, egg Chana Dal, a dish that's hearty, wholesome and bursting with flavors that speak of Bengal's culinary legacy. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!